Hello guys, this is Alexander from Sky Tech. Now I want to show you a briefly introduction of the mini brushless DC pump product. Yeah, this one on the floor, DC30A-1230 model. This model with DC head connector make it suitable for being powered with external power adapter. Yeah, just this connector from the power supply. So its rated voltage is 12 watts and its power consumption is only about 4.8 watts. The max static lift is about 3 meters, while the max horizontal flow rate is about 240 liters per hour. Inlet and outlet are both with external diameters of 8 millimeters. Yeah, very small but very powerful. Okay, I will show you the real performance later. We will use this power supply AC-DC converter to power the pump. Now the power has been adjusted to 12 watts already, and now I will use this DC head to connect this DC head. By the way, there exists case removable base for being fixed in applications. Okay, I will just directly connect these two. Now we can feel that the pump starts work, but now it's in dry work status and it is prohibited for long-term dry work. Now I just throw this pump into the water. It's completely waterproof, and you can feel that the noise becomes very little. And I will show you the real performance of the pump. Okay, spraying. In fact, it can also be useful for land use, but make sure that the water can actively flow into the inlet. Okay. Yeah. So we can feel its noise class. Okay. Completely waterproof, no noise class, and can be submersible installed. 12 watts, safe, and no noise. Very useful fun in various applications. If you are interested, you can contact us. So, bye bye.